Hi, good morning. It is April 8th, 2019, Monday morning. So let's see what's new in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. By the way, Paul here, Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Okay, so today it looks like we've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1-story single-family home for $89,000. I wonder what happened to this guy. It's awful cheap. A major fixer-upper. Okay. Probate. Here we go. Trying to jack up the price on it. Get a bid war going. Wow, good sized lot too, 5,600 square feet. A little house like that. So where is this guy? Okay, right over there. Not too bad. Okay, so let's see what else we got this morning. We have this little house over here, Glowing Horizon, 3,600 square feet, built last year. Nice. Contemporary. Wonder if it's a brand new house. Yep, new. In the Canyons, 674,000. Horizon Ridge. Okay, right over there by McDonald Highlands. Good deal. Okay, then Sunday we had a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, interesting. Why they have pictures like that. It's like a photography studio. Huh. That is way interesting. Let's see what it says here. Nothing worthwhile to talk about. So we are over Valley View and Twain. Okay, right over there. Okay, so highest priced $945 up on farm. Huh, it's a nice parcel, stables, all kinds of stuff. Nice drone shot. Way up north. Okay. Guess we missed this one. This is what we should have looked at. $1,020,000. Pretty nice. I don't know about $1 million, but you know. Find out if we got something in the backyard. Okay, it doesn't look like there's a pool or anything. In fact, it looks like a street-to-street lot. Yep, no pool. Big lot though. How big a lot are we here? 15,000 square feet. Okay. Then on Saturday, 89.9 manufactured home out of the area. Here's a little condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath on Swenson. Even odd. Okay. By the airport there. A little rental. Okay. One three. Wow, what is this? Big Boulder City, huh? Yep. Nice house. Like you. 6,300 square feet. Okay. Well, that's the next. Excuse me. See this one on Skyline here. Nice drone shots, pool. Too bad they didn't have any good pictures. People like red and blue. Big time. 1,085. Durango. And Okie. Okay, Tacoli Ranch. Gotcha. Okay, another thing I wanted to see here. Okay, that was the new listings. So we have 438 houses under contract. 236 sold recently. Today, we've got a few of them reported. 180,000 for the single family. Lots of concrete. Like in pretty good shape for $180,000. I know you want to know where it is. Built in 2004. Craig and Torrey Pines. Not bad. Then 427 for Mount Logan here. Looks pretty nice. Okay. Then yesterday, and this one reported on Badger Brook 243. Saturday, look at all these ones on Saturday from Friday. Wow. So these are all closed between Friday and today. 188. 1.2 million is the highest priced one. Anybody wants to buy a new house out there? Plenty of new ones available. Flamingo and Town Center, okay. Alright, so what I wanted to do is see what the pool sales are like right now. That's a pool, yes. And I'm going to go back, let's say 7 days. and then we're going to start seeing how they work between now, because the weather's starting to get warm. Okay, so last 7 days, $250,000 was the lowest priced pool home in the last 7 days. Nice little house there, recently refurbished. Nice pool. Okay. Then, so we got what? 113 in the last 7 days. Okay. Highest priced was $2.6 million. Brand new house. Wow, it had a pool even. That's interesting. Must have been the model unit. Beautiful house. Contemporary. Small pool, just a little lap pool. Okay, so 113 past 7 days. So we're just going to keep an eye on this to see how much this increases as the day goes by. I mean, the days go by since the weather's getting warmer. Had one today. See all these closed escrow on Friday. So there was 36 houses with pools that closed escrow Friday. Alright, I think that's about it for now. I will talk to you tomorrow.